And frontline healthcare workers and local government leaders say that Ohioans will continue to suffer without more pandemic relief from the folks in Washington. 2 News reporter Adam Reif live in Dayton to explain what they say will happen if that help does not come.
Unemployment benefits, help with rent to stave off eviction, food assistance, even frontline services at the local government level. Advocates say all of those are in jeopardy if the $1.9 trillion COVID rescue package is not passed. Now, some fiscal conservatives are wanting to pause on that right now. It's a big price tag as they review the numbers. But the people I spoke with today say waiting could cost lives.
The danger is not that we're doing too much. The danger is that even with this package, we're still doing too little.
Frontline workers, advocates, and local government leaders say the clock is ticking down on Ohioans struggling through the coronavirus crisis. The $1.9 trillion COVID rescue plan includes a third round of stimulus checks and more than $400 billion to help launch a national vaccination program.
We, as nurses, are ready to administer. We need the vaccine and the supplies.
Frontline workers say Ohio and the country are still in crisis mode as people are left to wait. State Representative Beth Liston is also a physician working on the front lines of the pandemic.
I get questions every day from constituents that are asking me how they can get their shot. And it's been really tough to guide them because there hasn't been a national investment or infrastructure set up.
And they say local government is also struggling with collateral damage. Dayton Mayor Nan Whaley says not getting financial help to make up for pandemic losses means this city cannot have a police class or fire class in 2021.
The issues of not having these frontline services be able to respond as quickly is directly because we're not getting the federal help.
Some conservatives are urging patience, wanting to see how current funding will improve circumstances, but advocates say they cannot afford to wait.
Deciding not to pass this would show that they're not really serious about this pandemic ending as quickly as possible.
You saw Senator Rob Portman there in the story. We also spoke with other Republican members of Congress who represent the Miami Valley. We talked about this COVID rescue package and other ways they're working to help people suffering in our area. We'll hear more from them coming up tonight at 5 on 2. Live in Dayton, Adam Reif, 2 News, working for you.